Hello, friend. You live in an apartment or villa community in India. Your association is collecting service charges from you every month or quarter. And now you want to know whether the association can collect GST along with these charges. The answer to this question is yes, if two conditions are met by the association. First condition, the total annual collection of the association is rupees 20 lakh or more. Second condition, the association is collecting rupees 7,500 per month or more from every house. If these two conditions are met, then absolutely your association should be registered for GST and collecting GST and remitting GST. So, if you have an association auditor or accountant who is advising that GST is not applicable even though these two conditions are met, then you must seek a second opinion, or you must request for circulars based on which the auditor is advising this. Because if your association comes under GST but it is not collecting and paying GST, it will become a huge financial liability, because when a GST audit happens, all pending GST has to be paid along with penalty and interest. So that is a situation that any association must avoid. Now, if the accountant or auditor's concern is that it is a hassle to accurately collect and pay GST for association because every house may have different billing formula and things like that, please let them know that there is software like Adda where all this is inbuilt, automatic billing along with GST calculation, taking into account the exemption of 7,500 rupees, etc. For the past 15 years, associations have been managing their GST on Adda. Earlier it was service tax, then it became GST. So there is absolutely no issue there. Please make sure your association stays compliant with GST.